Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unpackaging and first impressions of the Ringke Fusion-X case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. If you don't already, support Tech Travel Geeks by subscribing to us on YouTube. We'll also be putting an affiliate link in the description to this unboxing and first impressions of the Ringke Fusion-X case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. That's another way you can support us, is by buying stuff from Amazon through our links. Anyway, let's start off. The packaging, as on other Ringke devices we've seen, is pretty simple. It's eco packaging, it's easy to get into. You could rip the top of the packaging and then recycle it, but I like reusing it just in case. And on the inside we have the case itself and a few leaflets about Ringke and Fusion-X, their design and security features for devices. Now, as with other Ringke Fusion-X cases, we need to take the tape off the inside of the case. Part of the protective design is to make sure it arrives unscratched and undamaged. It has a nice bit of tape to take off, and I think it's part of the overall experience of using one of these cases is you get to peel off the tape. So that's done. I'm going to wipe my Google Pixel 4 XL, pop it into the case. There we go, it fits snugly. There's no covering over the selfie camera or any of the other features. I will clear my notifications. So there you have it. And we also have another side to peel on the back. So the advantage of this case is that it's transparent. You can show off that cool orange Google Pixel 4 XL oh so orange color, as well as keeping your case protected, and it has good corner protection. So you can see there is a slight bump on the corners that gives it a nice bit of resistance were it to be dropped. Hopefully you don't. And also the depth of the case and the surrounding of the camera module is nice and high, so you're less likely to scratch the device when you put it face down on a surface. So, as with other Ringke Fusion-X cases, I'm quite happy with this. This is what I was expecting. It's just as usual, looks and feels quite sturdy. There's plenty of space for the speakers at the bottom and the USB Type-C charger, if that's how you charge your device. I plan on charging mine using wireless, and let me just put it over on the wireless charger. Yep, it seems to work here fine. I've got a green light and it's indicating that it's charging. So I think this is going to be the main case that I'm going to be keeping on my Google Pixel 4 XL. Thank you for watching this Tech Travel Geeks video of the Ringke Fusion-X for the Google Pixel 4 XL. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, and if you're interested in following us on social media or on purchasing this Ringke Fusion-X for the Google Pixel 4 XL, please do click on the Amazon link in the description to this video. But for now, thanks for watching everyone, goodbye.